Hello everyone, I am Alexandro C. Pabiton from Colegio de San Juan de Letran, Calamba. I am a second year Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, specializing in data science, and this is my final exam for Machine Learning Lab of Ma'am Lucita. So, first off, this is a project and my objective was to analyze ramen ratings on data using machine learning and data visualization techniques. I cleaned the data and prepared the data. I trained models to classify ramen quality and created visual insights using charts. So this allowed me to explore patterns in taste, style, and country of origin based on rating scores. So the data came from kaggle.com and it was from Alexi Biloger. So thanks to him. So first off, I began with the imports. These are all necessary for it. So there's NumPy, Panda, sklearn, Keras from TensorFlow, and the matplot library pyplot. So we ran that, and then I loaded the data, the CSV that I got from Alexi Biloger from Kaggle. So next up, I did the data cleaning, as you can see. So basically, I removed missing values over here, and I converted the stars to numeric. I also made it so that certain features are selected. As you can see over here, I selected style and country, and this would be the final dataset. As you can see, here's the cleaned dataset. So for step 4, the data splitting and scaling, I split the data into training and testing sets, then scale the inputs to make training more stable, as you can see over here. So I built the first model with lots of neuron and no regulation, so it basically overfitted, as you can see over here when we ran the epochs. There you go. And then for the fixing the overfitting, I used dropout, and basically I added less neurons, and as such it fixed the overfitting, which is seen over here. There you go. And now I made some graphs. It's a visualization. So first off, I made a bar chart of the top 10 countries highly rated ramens. So if you run that, as you can see, Singapore, Indonesia, Malaysia, South Korea, Japan. This is the number of high rated ramens based on the country. And then next up is a horizontal bar chart that shows the average rating by ramen style. So here they like the pack ramen style better than the cup ones. And this is a pie chart that shows the top 5 countries that contributed to high rated ramen. So as you can see, it's visually appealing, and you can determine which is way bigger than the other. And it's Singapore, which is also shown here. And that's it basically. Thank you very much for watching. That's my final examination for machine learning lab, and thank you very much.